You know that ghost face look you get from Korean sunscreen? Yeah, we've all been there. For years, K-Beauty gave us the white cast of shame, the ashy finish, the why did I even try this regret. But something insane happened in 2026. Korean brands finally cracked the melanin code, and now African women are ditching their $100 Western serums for $15 Korean magic. I'm about to show you why this is the biggest skincare shift you'll see this decade. But before we reveal the 2026 secret that dermatologists are calling a game changer, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button right now to join the most glowing community on YouTube. Trust me, you'll want these updates. All right, let's get into it. Meet Sarah, 28 years old, marketing exec in Lagos. Beautiful skin, except for the dark spots on her cheeks that made her feel like she was wearing a permanent mask. She tried everything Western brands told her to try. Vitamin C serums that oxidized, hydroquinone creams that thinned her skin, chemical peels that cost more than her rent. Nothing worked. Then, one night, doom scrolling at 2 a.m., she found a video. A woman with her exact skin tone, glowing like she'd bottled sunlight. The secret? New 2026 Korean formulas designed specifically for melanin-rich skin. Sarah tried it. 3 months later, her hyperpigmentation faded by 70%. Her skin barrier, stronger than ever. Her confidence, through the roof. But what changed? What's different about 2026? Here's what Korean scientists finally figured out. Melanin-rich skin doesn't need to be fixed. It needs to be understood. We produce more sebum, retain more moisture, but we're also more prone to post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. That means every pimple, every scratch, every irritation leaves a dark mark for months. Western skincare attacked this with acids and bleaching agents, strip, peel, destroy. Korean skincare in 2026, they rebuilt the game. Enter Snail Mucin. This isn't just hype, it's a cheat code. Snail Mucin contains allantoin and glycolic acid that rebuild your skin layer by layer. It doesn't bleach your melanin, it heals the damage underneath, so dark spots fade naturally. Then there's rice water extract, packed with vitamin E, ferulic acid, and antioxidants. It evens out your skin tone without stripping your natural color. Your melanin stays intact, your glow amplified. But here's the real breakthrough. 2026 formulas have zero white cast. Not minimal, not blends in eventually. I mean completely invisible. Korean chemists partnered with African labs in Accra, Lagos, and Johannesburg to create sunscreens that protect melanin without the ghost face effect. This is what happens when Korean innovation meets African expertise. We finally got products made for us, not adapted for us. So, if you're ready to join the 2026 revolution, here are the 3 things you need to look for on any K-beauty label. 1. Niacinamide or tranexamic acid, not hydroquinone. These fade dark spots without thinning your skin. 2. No white cast or invisible finish on your sunscreen. If it doesn't say that, it's not made for you. 3. Snail mucin or rice water in the top 5 ingredients. That's where the real magic happens. Now, here's what I want you to do. Drop a comment right now and tell me, have you tried K-Beauty on your melanin-rich skin? What worked? What didn't? I respond to every single comment because this community is building something special. And if you want more secrets like this, the stuff brands don't want you to know, subscribe and turn on notifications. The glow up is just getting started. Your skin deserves science, not guesswork. And in 2026, we finally got both.